Hi, it's Jason at Jordanbikes. They've got for you Yamaha 600 Diversion. Absolutely lovely. These are XJ6 as they sometimes know them, but the Diversion model. Lovely these, 4-cylinder, really smooth. Brilliant commuting bike, or you can restrict them down to an A2 licence. This thing is as close to new as you're probably going to get. 2017 on a 17 plate and only done 754 miles, so 754 miles. I mean, look at it, it's absolutely immaculate. Big saving over new, so why bother paying for new when you could have this? Lovely metallic white, digital dashboard. As you can see on there, we'll give it a start up for you. They're a fantastic bike, these. Really revvy, really punchy, and brilliant on fuel. So, come on down to Jordanbikes and take a look for yourself, or give us a call.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.